Hello and welcome to another tutorial from Ben's Box. Today we're going to be looking at the if statement from PHP. What an if statement is, it basically checks if a condition that you provided is true or false, and if the condition does turn out to be true, it then processes a certain script that you've also provided. Okay, so as you can see at the moment on my browser, I have "Hey Ben!" exclamation mark, exclamation mark. Okay, so if we go into Dreamweaver for you quickly. Alright. Okay, so as you can see here in my PHP tags, I've got a variable called name and it's equal to Ben. This is value. Okay, so here, this line 6 to 8, this is my if statement. So as you can see, it starts off with if, then I've got two brackets, and in between these brackets is my condition. So what I've got here says if the variable name is equal to Ben, which it does, and in between my curly brackets, this is the script it will process if the value is if the condition is true. Okay, and it will print "Hey Ben." Okay, so that's what we've got at the moment. So if we say Frank, so if the variable name is equal to Frank, print "Hey Ben." But obviously it doesn't equal Frank. So if we go into our browser, it's going to print nothing at all because the condition is false. Okay, so that's pretty simple, right? So if the condition is true, it will do whatever's in between these two curly brackets. If the condition is false, it won't do anything that's in between these two curly brackets. Okay, so we've got equals. So double equals means equals. Okay, so exclamation mark equals means if name does not equal Frank, which it doesn't. So this time it will print "Hey Ben." Okay, so the condition is actually true because name does not equal Frank. Okay, and there's also, let's do num. Okay, so if we have a number of 10, okay, if num, let's get rid of this, is greater than, let's say 5, which equals true, we'll print greater. Okay, so we run this and it equals greater. Okay, so that's the greater than sign. You should know this from school. This is the less than sign, which obviously is false because it doesn't 10 isn't greater than 5, smaller than 5, sorry. Okay, and this is the less than and equals to, so I'll make this 10 again. So it is equal to 10, but it's not less than 10. So it will still print out greater at the moment because that's what I told it to do. Okay, and then also equals, greater than and equals to, which it still does equal, still true. So it's still going to print greater. Now that's pretty simple. Just a quick one. A lot of people do this: equals to, then greater, and less than, which is incorrect, and it will come up with an error. Just to show you. There you go. Okay, so if you are going to do greater than equals to or less than equals to, make sure the equals is always after the greater or lesser. Okay, so that's an if statement. A pretty quick tutorial. Obviously, again, the examples here aren't going to be real life examples really, but when we do start the PHP series, you will understand how much the if statement is used. Okay, so if you watch the next tutorial, it should be the if and else statement, and it carries on from this current if statement. Okay, so thank you for watching.